Upgrade your closet with the versatile Allen Roth Hartford Java Ventilated Wood Closet Kit. Constructed with chic ventilated wooden panels that are functional and stylish, each kit includes a ventilated closet tower with 2 3-foot shelves, 3 expandable closet poles, a raised panel drawer kit, and 2 ventilated shelves. The Allen Roth Ventilated Wood Closet Kit collection offers additional accessories sold separately, including drawers, closet towers, shelves, rods, brackets, and J-hooks. The stunning bold Java finish is enhanced by modern satin nickel hardware, while durable, hand-selected premium wood veneers captivate with their multi-step furniture-grade finish. Ready to install? With some assembly required, install this versatile kit anywhere you need organization. Your closet, the pantry, your office, the bathroom, the laundry room, or use the stunning towers as standalone furniture. The Allen Roth Hartford Java Ventilated Wood Closet Kit is a smart, easy solution for organizing your closet.